Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Travels by Alex. I'm Alex and today we are going on an adventure to Color Factory. Ashley, Nabila and I are taking a little trip here to Color Factory here on Spring Street in New York City. We wanted to come here and explore the different colors in this museum and also all the interactive experiences that are here. So I can't wait to take you inside. We're going to go in shortly.
One partner go through the white door, and then the other partner is going to go through the black door. Once you guys are seated across from each other, put on a pair of headphones that are at your station, and then press the little white button. It is the only button on the desk, so you cannot miss it. Once you press that button, do not press it more than one time, otherwise the instructions that will be playing through the headphones are going to restart the activity. All right? Amazing. So you two are partners? You two?
I'll go team yellow.
Great.
Yeah.
All right, so then you two split up. I'm going to have you go to the purple, and you're going to go to the yellow right across.
All right, so we're doing our first Color Factory activity. What is the name of this activity?
Complimentary compliment.
This room is all about self-discovery.
Cool.
You're going to read the question, follow the answer, and it's going to lead you to a room that has a background color based on your personality.
Oh,
okay?
cool.
You know, need help with it.
be taking off your shoes. Anything in your pockets, more than important, leave it behind. If you have your button on, please take that off. Once you're ready, you'll be entering through this side. Make sure that your mask goes on.
So we are officially in the ball pit. Nabila's super excited.
Yes, I am.
Haven't done this since I was a kid.
In like McDonald's. I feel like this is a good area.
Yeah, good lighting. Remind me of Joey from Friends when he was on the beach. Gelato? Which kind? Sweet cream, exciting. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sweet cream gelato. Thank you very much. So they have these cool little giveaways over here, and you can pick one of these. There's a ruler here. This is a ruler, right? This is a ruler? Yeah. It's a lemon. And so I got this one that says, "When life gets tough, squeeze me." Trust me, I need it for all the editing I have to do on these YouTube videos. Really cool stuff in the exhibit. Actually, they have mugs here. There's all these really cool face masks here, and I actually am on the market for a new one, so I actually am gonna buy this one. And girls, if you like nail polish, there's some nail polish here. Really cool mug. I think Ashley's buying this one. And then there's really cool pins here. So I would say if you love this stuff, definitely come out here and take a look. So we just got done here at Color Factory. It was such an amazing museum. I definitely recommend coming here and exploring if you have some time. It's great for families, young children, dates, and anybody really. It was just so much fun. My favorite part was the ball pit. Got a lot of really good pictures. And honestly speaking, definitely come here if you haven't yet. It is located on Spring Street. You can take the C and the E trains here. I believe it's just around the corner. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, also hit the notification bell because that's how you'll know every single time a new video is posted here. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you on the next adventure.
Just go for it.
They're all like hungry.
Yeah, I have it. Oof. Oh, you're staticky. Your hair is all up.
That's why I'm wearing my hat. All right, how did that go? How'd that go? Wait. Okay. Yeah.
You're not gonna see the whole thing. You're not seeing the whole thing. Oh, okay.
So we just got done here at the Museum of Color, right? Color Factory?
No, the Color Factory.
Color Factory.